Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing how I costed these small chops you're seeing right now. You're seeing the plates are all looking beautiful. If you're in Nigeria, this costing will help you to be making a lot of profits. Seriously, ask a baker. The highest gain, the highest profit I do make is from small chops. I'm serious. If you're not making money from small chops, you're doing something wrong. So follow this video and I believe you'll be happy at last. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, feel free to click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Click on all notification bell to be getting alert of my new video. If I drop any new video, you will get an alert. To my old subscribers, you're all welcome back again. Welcome back again. Don't forget to like this video, feel free to comment, and also feel free to share to your friends. Let's get started. Guys, making small chops is a very great task, but when you know that there is a greater gain ahead, my dear, you will do it well and make your work beautiful. You can see me preparing my small chops filling. This particular filling is for the spring rolls, so I do it and I do it with all my heart because I know there is something I will achieve at last. But if you want to know how I prepare my small chops, the small chops wrap, the samosa, the spring roll, the puff puff, I'll be putting all the link on the description box. You can check them out, watch the well-detailed video. But today I'm talking about costing. I want you to see all I pass through when I prepare all these small chops. After preparing it, you will now tell yourself the truth. Do you need to add enough money or reduce enough money? So you don't need to lose money. See, cake making looks so easier when you're doing small chops compared to small chops. Small chops is so taxing. I'm serious. Very. This is just the beginning. I'm just starting. I have not entered the main thing. Very soon I'll enter the main thing. This is the easiest sauce ever. Just add your cabbage and you set aside. Turn very well, stir very well, and you set it aside. After preparing the small chops filling, both the samosa and the spring rolls fillings, I will set them aside to cool and I will squeeze for the wrap. For the wrap, I need my flour. I'll get my flour, my water, my salt, and baking powder, and that is all. You see, my flour is here already. This is my baking powder and water. That's all I need for the wraps. So I will add a pinch of salt and I will start mixing. I'll mix and make sure I break all the lumps from A to Z. I'm not talking about measurement here. If you want to know the correct measurement, well-detailed video how to prepare it, it will be on my description box. Go there and watch it. But today we are talking about costing for you to understand what I pass through, so that when I talk about the price, you will not say it's too much. Because if you want, add more. If you're living in a very open area, rural area like Lagos, Abuja, my dear, if you're living places like Abuja, Lagos, my dear, add more money. Add more money. You know they can pay. Please add more money. You see, I'll keep mixing till I melt every. Okay, it's time to create the wraps. This fry pan you're seeing right now, the pan is very hot, very hot. Now I'm going to use my bare hand to scrub with my butter. You can see me scrubbing. This is all I pass through. This is all I passed through to get this samosa ready. So I could not tell you the price. My price, you can add up your own. My price for samosa and spring rolls, 150. You heard me? Yes. Some will say it's costly. You may do 100 naira, no wahala. My own is 150, and I'll keep doing 150. So I can even add 200 by December, because the way market is going now, moving now, I think by December I'll be selling one for 150, 200. So one of my samosa, one of my spring roll is cost for 150, because I'm suffering. You see what I'm passing through. It's not a small thing. I burn my hand. But the serious truth is, if you're a novice doing this, you will suffer that first time. It is very hot, but if you do it 2 times, 3 times, you will not be feeling your hands again. You will not be feeling the hotness. I'm serious. When you're used to it, you don't feel it any longer. So it's for 150. All the wraps are ready now. You see, I will start wrapping one after the other. Time consuming. Ooh. Samosa and spring roll can consume your time. You can see all. Do you know how many hours I've spent already? This is even a smaller quantity I'm doing today. If you know how many hours I will spend trying to make everything set. Wait, what I'm talking about is one samosa is 150, one spring roll is 150. When I mean each of them, one samosa 150, one spring roll 150. If you are in Lagos or you have a bigger client that you know that if you tell the person 200 they will pay, please tell them it's worth it. Please tell them 200. Each one, as you're saying it, as this one is nice, 150. That's what I do. I don't remove 1 naira. It's not even you don't have reason to even come and bargain with me. If I don't tell you, I don't tell you, because me, I know what I'm passing through. So you see me, it's time to fry. I'll start frying. Each of them is 150. Each of the samosa is also 150. So I'll take my time to fry. And again, I don't fry with anyhow oil. That's another thing you will consider. Maybe you are frying with all this fake oil. No. I go for the best oil in the market. I go for King's. I go for power oil. I go for even soya oil sometimes. So I go for the best. Even my puff puff, as you're seeing this puff puff now, is 3 for 100. Yes. 3 pieces is 100 naira. I'm not removing 1 naira. It's not negotiable at all. Is my standard price. I have sealed it. Maybe by December, as I said, if market keep increasing, my dear, maybe it will be 200 naira. One puff puff will now be 50 naira, because I'm doing with the main thing. See, all this fry, if you're using the right good oil, it as in your market will be moving. Some of us will just take the work and will go and get a fake oil. When the person eats, after eating, they will start scratching their throat will start scratching them and all that. So use good oil. Create a standard for yourself. Tell yourself it's 150, is it 200? Seal it there. When I mean non-negotiable, you don't negotiate with me. If I don't tell you, I don't tell you. If I tell you it's 150, it's 150. You can see how big my chicken is looking. Each 300 naira. It's even cheap, very, very cheap. People cut their own so small and tiny. Sometimes it will not even be visible from far or from very far place. You cannot even notice that there is chicken in the small chops pack. So all the same, my own is 300. At least this is a normal. Some family size is like this. So my own is 300. So you can now see small chops, 1 samosa, 1 spring roll is 300 already, plus chicken. That's it. We'll have 600 already. Plus puff. If puff, let me just say 100. We are having how much? 600. That's 700 naira. For my wrap, you know my wrap. You know that my wrap. That the packets, the foil pack, I cost it with my my rubber ring, rubber band, toothpick, and serviettes. The pack one, the rubber band, toothpick, and serviette. The 4 of them at 100 naira. So my gain is inside. Each of them is carrying their own gain. So in conclusion, everything, my small chops total is 800 naira. One pack. The pack that I showed you initially before this video started is 800 naira. You can see how I prepare my own chicken sauce. What I call it pepper chicken. So I blend my pepper, add onion, add little Maggie's, little seasoning cube, and I add the chicken, turn it around. So my chicken is looking very big. That's just the truth. Maybe by December, this size will be 400. So if you're staying where they will pay you well, my dear, add more price, because add more price. Sometimes if I see big men, I take up the price, but I'm just telling you my normal price. That's my normal price for you. So after this, I'll go for the packaging. You see the way I package my things. After sharing out my puff puff 3 I noticed there are still more. It seems I molded very small today. It seems I molded small today, so I have to add more because me, I'm not a puff puff eater. All these pastries are not good with me. I'm not a fan of them. I'm tired of eating them, so I have to reduce. The remaining I'll share to my neighbors around. So that's the way I go. I keep adding one. You can see this is the way I set up my table when I'm packing. I take my time so that there will be no mistake. So I'm the only one working today. It wasn't funny for me, my dear. I was the only one packing every. I did the work alone. It's time to start sharing the chicken. You can see how big my chicken is looking, but not all that are this big. So I bought 3 pieces. I bought 3. So that 3 I have to cut. Not the sizes will not be the same now. I purchased 3 different chickens, so the sizes will not be the same after the cutting. So, but some are bigger than the rest. Anybody that gets the big one is the person's luck. The person will enjoy. So I'm just taking my time to package one by one, so there will not be any mistake. My dear, to some people, garnishing is not a problem. It doesn't make sense to them. But me, I don't joke with garnishing. I garnish with both cucumber and even onion. Even me, if I can get fresh pepper, I will cut and add. Anything that will make it look so attractive and nice, I do add. I'm a food and nutrition student. They taught us how to garnish things, at least to look attractive. Let the eyes eat first before the hand or the mouth. So take your time to garnish your thing. It's your business you're selling. They did not pay for this one, but at least if you calculate very well, the money is still there. Still, I will still make my gain. Enough gain. Wow, I'm done. You can see. Is it not looking beautiful? Tell me. If this thing is looking beautiful, please like this video, comment, ask questions if you have any. It's literally looking beautiful. So yummy. So okay, it's time to package finally, the final covering. So I have to start covering it right now. Please don't forget to like this video. If you have not liked my video, please go and like it now. Click on the like button. If this is your first time of watching my video, please do well by subscribing. Open up your notification bell. Okay, I've started covering it. A pack like this is 800. The final total price is 800. With all the packaging, with all the, I'll add my serviette, toothpick, and use a rubber band on it, and also put in a beautiful leather. In a fancy leather or beautiful leather, anyone you want to call, no problem. So that's a pack for 800. To some people it's costly, but to some people it's cool. But the truth, by December, this pack will go for either 1,000. Because things are not really funny in the market right now. You can see I'm almost done. Finally, I'm almost done. It was not funny for me that day. At the point I felt so weak, but I have to continue. It's my money that I'm looking at. So you can see it's time to start putting in the leather. Please, if you're new to my channel, this is the first time of watching my video, please click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new video. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting alert of my new video. If you have not liked this video, please do well by clicking on the like button. Give me some thumbs up so that other people will see this video and watch as well. Thank you. Bye.